Grant doing box 10 of classics. He was live with us. I started opening it and then YouTube wasn't running yet. Alright, brother. I don't have any more in right now. Dave Taylor is your banner. And Rod Langway autograph. Mike Richter. And Keith Premu. Dale Hunter. And Adam Graves. Billy Smith. And Dennis Hextall. Oh, here's your parallel or insert auto. Brett Hull. And what insert is this? It's one of the... Oh, expansion. Craig Patrick. 62 of 100. Expansion autograph. I love that set. Craig Patrick. And Grant. Guy Lafleur. And Dave Babbage. Dave Babbage, Grant. There you have it.